How to set up Meta Business Manager account. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with setting up your Meta Business Manager account. Now, to get started, first off, you're going to have to log on to your Facebook account because you do need to have a Facebook account to be able to create your Meta Business Manager account. Once you log on to your Facebook account, you're going to create a Facebook page for your business. Once you create that page, then you can move forward into creating your business account. So you're going to click on menu on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see page over here. Click on page, and from here, you're going to create your business page. First off, we're going to name our business. So let's say our business is called Midge Maisel. And then we're going to add the category. Let's say this is going to be retail, clothing. And then after that, we can add a bio. So in our bio, I'm just going to write developed or created or established 2025. And then I'm going to just click on create page. And just like that, we have our Facebook business page. Now for business manager accounts, we do need to have a business page. And then from there, we can go into our business manager and then we can create ad accounts as well as other advertising tools can be utilized on Facebook. Now, after that, you have to finish setting up your particular page. So on the left, you will have a couple of different prompts that you can fill out and add more information about your page. So you can go on ahead, add your website, your phone number, email address. If you want, you can just skip this as well, but it's recommended to do so. So you want to add a profile picture and a cover picture. You can honestly make these in an instant. Just go into Canva and then just search for logo. And our business is Midge Maisel, so I'm just going to take any logo template that I think looks cute. And I'm just going to click on this, click on customize template. And I'm just going to customize this to mm. I'm just going to resize this as well and place this right at the center. Take these out a bit like so. I'm just going to pull this one a bit in. And then I'm just going to write Midge Maisel. And I'm going to write 2025. I'm just going to click on share, download, and download this as a PNG, which I'm going to be using as a profile picture for our business account on Facebook. So from here, just click on add profile picture and upload your logo. And just like that, we have our logo. Now I'm going to click on next, and we're going to proceed on to step number 3 of our 5 basic setup steps. And then we can proceed. So we're just going to wait for this to be loaded up, and then we can skip our WhatsApp connection. I'm also going to skip the audience connection. I don't want page notifications on my profile. I'm going to skip that as well. And just like that, we will have our basic account. Now, your basic account is going to be pretty blank, so you do want to upgrade this. And the way to access your Meta Business Suite now, or your business account, is to simply go into your left and you will have Meta Business Suite. Now, you can use some basic tools directly from your page, like your Insights, Ad Center, Create Ads, and Settings, but it's easier to do all of this and to manage content and schedule content and utilize Facebook's full potential by going into Meta Business Suite. And just like that, we have our business account on Meta ready. So you can allow or block notifications, and this is what your Meta Business Suite is going to look like. Now on the left, you will have notifications. So any page notifications will appear. Then your page inbox. Now your page inbox can be really important to manage, especially when you have a larger inbox. And you can also connect your Instagram. So your Meta Business Suite is not only for your Facebook account, but it's also going to be for your business account on Instagram, and having a one inbox system can be really helpful. Within your inbox on the top, you will have automations. So you can create some instant replies, away messages, identify unanswered messages, custom keywords, and more. So things that are frequently asked, let's say people often text you on your business page to ask you what are your opening hours, or do you provide this service? You can create instant replies as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on instant reply, and whenever I'm going to connect to Messenger, and when this happens, whenever my particular business account receives a message, take this action. Hi, thanks for contacting us. contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate you getting in touch. We've received your message and appreciate you getting in touch. Our support center will reply to you promptly, like this. And I'm just gonna place a space in between this, like so. And just like that, we will have our message and I can click on save changes. And now whenever someone messages my business page, they will receive an instant reply, which makes your page look far more professional. Now you can set this up for specific keywords. So if something has a specific keyword, you can have a certain reply to that. Now, after that, you have your content. Content is so important with Facebook business pages as well as Instagram pages, and you can create posts and schedule them. This can be done for posts, reels, stories, and not only that, but you can also do A/B testing. A/B testing is when you have the same content presented in two different ways to see what type of framing is going to serve you best. Below that, you also have feed and grid customizations, as well as your mentions and tags. And then you also have clips, playlists, and series. So if you're running a certain series of reels on your business page, you can have them be added and people can easily find them when they're categorized. Below that, you will have a content planner. So your content can be scheduled ahead and you can schedule a post or a story. And you can change this to a monthly view by clicking on the top right. And you will have your content type as well. So posts, stories, reels, and ads, you can view that. And you can see share to all, share to your Facebook page, Facebook groups, or Instagram account. And you can schedule posts for both Facebook and Instagram completely for free. You're not going to have to use any third-party application to do so. Then after that, you have ads, and in your ads, you can get started with Facebook's ad tools. Now, these are some of the most popular ad tools you're going to find out there, so you can click on Create Ad to get started. And for that, you do need to have your Facebook advertising tools, and you need Advert Manager or Ad Manager. And you can click on the Ads Manager over here to access your Facebook Ads Manager, which is going to look like this. It looks slightly different than your regular old Meta Business Suite, and this is the Ad Manager. From here, you're going to be able to see advertising settings, billings and payments, event managers, ad reporting, and more. Keep in mind, you do have to verify your account and update account information to enable advertising. You guys can see my account has not been verified, so that's why I cannot currently run ads, and you do have to provide some type of payment method as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.